how to turn our life's purpose into profit. Now, first of all, what is our life's purpose? Well, our life's purpose is everything that comes to the surface once we got rid of our pain, of our trauma, of our constant distractions, and that what surfaces comes actually from deep within. Something that actually has the ability to drastically improve the quality of other people's lives. So basically, when we are living our life's purpose to the fullest, it actually means we are helping a tremendous amount of people to improve the quality of their lives. And this answers already the question, why do we need to turn our life's purpose into profit? Because when we are not turning our life's purpose that comes from deep within into actual profit, we won't be able to help as many people as possible to improve their quality of life. And what many people are actually waiting for from what you authentically have to give. So how do we turn our life's purpose into profit? So once we got rid of our pain, of our trauma, of our constant distractions, and we actually find the life's purpose that we all have encapsulated inside of us, but whispers instead of shouts, and we have clarity in what it actually is, the next step is to translate our authentic life's purpose into a product or into a service in such a way that you will be able to help as many people as possible at the same time to improve the quality of their life from what you authentically have to give. So nowadays a good idea would be to turn your authentic purpose into an online product or an online service. And why is it so important to follow your authentic purpose instead of just following the latest hype or the latest trend? Because everything that you just follow or copy doesn't come from within, from your spirit, so you won't find the inspiration that you actually need to put it into practice, to put it into a product or service, and you will never find the energy and motivation to actually make it into an abundant flow so that as many people as possible can actually benefit from it, with a natural consequence that you will receive an abundant flow in return naturally. But once you take the effort to peel off all your fears, your pains, your traumas, your constant addicting distractions, and you allow your authentic purpose to surface, then you will start to feel an immense amount of inspiration from your spirit to actually go and put your authentic purpose into a product or service, and you will feel an unstoppable amount of energy to go and let as many people as possible benefit from what you authentically have to give. And from that unstoppable inspiration from deep within, you will create an abundant flow on the outside with a natural abundant flow back on the inside. And living your life from your purpose, from deep within, is actually living your life to the fullest. And unlocking your life's purpose and putting it into actual reality and letting as many people as possible benefit from what you authentically have to give with an abundant flow back in return will actually let you experience how it is possible to let your life's purpose turn into profit. And how would you know that it is actually your life's purpose? Pretty simple actually. Because it has the ability to help improve the quality of as many people's lives. And secondly, when you put your life's purpose into actual reality, for every step you take, you will actually get a tremendous amount of energy. If you are not living your life's purpose, you will lose energy all the time and you will be tired all the time. And how would you start to let as many people as possible know what you authentically have to give? Also very simple. Start helping as many people as possible from what you authentically have to give. And then create a high quality product or service that is easy to follow and complete for the people who are truly committed to actually put it into complete reality. So in short, break free from all the fear, the pain, the traumas and the addicting distractions. Let your life's purpose surface so that you can actually start putting it into a product or service, make sure that it is easy and comprehensive and that it actually improves the quality of as many people's lives, and then make sure that as many people as possible can actually see and benefit from it, and an abundant flow back will be a natural consequence. And that in short is how we actually can turn our life's purpose into actual profit. Now when you are ready to dive deeper into breaking free from fear, from pain, from trauma, from all addicting distractions, so that your life's purpose can actually surface. And when you are ready to break free from all the financial scarcity blockages, then make sure to click here and watch my 4 free videos. And in the next few videos, we will go further on these topics. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in the next videos.